For those of you who need to replace on your TJ Wrangler the coolant overflow bottle, if I may make a couple of recommendations. First off, get a late model bottle. Get one with the tube in it. And you can see here there's a tube running down the inside. Why? Because the early model, of which here's the old one, is just a bottle. And you can see on the inside, you can see all the walls. And the problem with the early model is you get this. You get this splashback from the coolant bottle when it overflows, or perhaps when you're off-roading, and you end up with this scoring or this damage to the inside of your hood. However, this style means that when it's sloshing around, it's going around the outside on the walls, and it's not, or very little, is coming up the inside because of that tube. So if you're going to get one with the tube. It's going to save you a lot of pain, and it's going to keep the inside of your hood clear. So tip number 2 is make sure the cap on your bottle has a good click, a good snap. So it is going to prevent any splashback popping it open too easily. That's really simple. And then tip number 3 is when you look at the overflow pipe that's here, make sure that you can put something through here freely and there's no blockage. If there's a blockage, then the expansion tank is useless. So make sure you don't have any blockage. So there's your 3 tips. One is get a late model bottle. Second is make sure you've got a functional cover, a functional cover that snaps on. And thirdly, to make sure that your tube here, your overflow tube, is free of any debris and can work as manufactured and designed. Follow me for more tips and more suggestions, and look forward to your feedback as always.